Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I have a special car for you guys. So this is the limited edition of one of 10,000 Mini GT Nissan R34, which they have announced for their 5-year anniversary. So congratulations to Mini GT for their 5-year anniversary and going super well with the model cars that they produce. And I don't think these are numbered boxes, but I'm pretty sure that these numbers represent something or are different in some cases. So let's just quickly unbox it and see how this car looks and as you can see, it comes in this special packaging. The box is quite huge. Normally it's half the size, but in this case it is double. So here's the car, as you can see, in the purple camouflage look, which is, I mean, not really a fan of this color, but the camouflage pattern is obviously very nice. So let's just take it out of this packaging, which is I have seen in Hogan Wings. I'm not sure I'm unboxing a Hogan Wings or a Mini GT. So here's the model. Let's just take it out of the car. So here's the model in all its glory. And I mean, first impression, I don't think that I mean, this looks like a toy. I'm not going to lie, but here is my opinion. I mean, R34 models, I think they look like standard cars that you can find on the simple toy stores. I understand this is a model, but this particular design of the car, I mean, this is pretty standard with all the cars. But still, I mean, the model looks quite nice though, with the tires and all that. I mean, these are silver painted, but I have said before that I really like the black rims on cars. I mean, I don't know what sort of love I have with the black rims, but it is what it is. So let's start with the front. As you can see, we have the very nicely detailed front there, as you can see, with the fog lights. I think these are fog lights. I'm not sure, I don't own a R34, so those who own a R34, let me know, guys. And the headlights are obviously plastic inserts which are quite nicely detailed. As you can see, they really do give a authentic look to this car, along with the tiniest of the GTR logos on the air intake. Now if you move to the fenders and the body parts, you can see that we have sort of a different finish given to the different colors of the car. So I think the blue is the base paint of the car, and on top of that the purple metallic finish decals are stuck onto it. So this, I mean, in real life, if you would see this car, this would look pretty nice, but in the model and currently with the lighting setup that I have, it would be pretty hard to see. But you guys can clearly see that this purple finish has some sort of metallic finish, and the blue and the dark purple does not have. So nicely detailed paint job there. And if you move to the side, we can see we have the indicator light. I think this is on both the sides, so pretty good as well. And I think the mirrors here are okay. So these are rubberized mirror, and if you look that the mirrors as always, they don't have any plastic or metallic reflective inserts in them. So I think Mini GT will be separately selling them at some point in time, but we'll see how that goes. And if you move to the door, we can see we have this door handle, which I think is quite nicely detailed for the size of the car, and the door cutout as well on both the sides. And obviously the interior is all black without any paint and stuff detailed to it, but I don't really care about the interior. I just care about the exterior of the car. It should look nice. So moving on, as you can see, the pattern follows all the way across the body and to the carbon fiber spoiler, I believe this is. So this has a nice carbon fiber pattern to it. As you can see, this follows all the way to the sides, as you can see as well. And I don't think the base connecting to it doesn't have that, so let me just try to see. So yeah, it does not have that. Also on the underneath of the wing, it does not have that carbon fiber pattern. And at the back window, you can see we have this sort of lines printed on it, along with the wiper logo, which is a detail I haven't seen in Mini GT, but this is a normal road car, so that's maybe the reason why. And moving on to the back side, we have the signature R34 headlights, as you can see, along with the tiniest of the tiniest Nissan logo. And surprisingly, it is quite well detailed. I mean, if you know what the Nissan logo looks like, then you will be easily able to determine that this is a Nissan logo, along with the GTR logo as well on the side there. As you can see, here comes a sort of improvement thing, but as of making this video, I think they stopped making this car. So as you can see that there is, however, a skyline dent going on, but due to the paint job, I think, or the decals, that whatever they paste here, it is now diminished. So I think in the future models, if they make this, they should correct it, because they have made grooves for the skyline, but due to the decals or the way the paint is done, this is not now visible. So I mean, they shouldn't have done it in the first place, but still they are trying, I think, their best to do that. And if you move to the license plate, we can see obviously this is the Skyline GTR license plate, and with that, I mean, you won't be able to go on the roads, but on racetracks this car will absolutely outperform almost any car. And finally, if we move to the bottom side, we can see we have the quite nicely detailed drivetrain, and the tires do have tread on them, so that's pretty nice. Also, these are free-flowing tires, so you can play it as a toy as well, but I don't think anyone will be giving this expensive toys to children. Also, the exhaust system, as you can see, it is quite nicely silver painted, but the inside is also silver painted. So what I am thinking here is that this is just a simple silver plastic that I have molded in from the exhaust pipe, and forget the details for the inside of the pipe, but still a pretty nice model, well detailed all around. So there it is, guys, the Nissan GT R34 special edition by Mini GT for their 5th anniversary. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you have any comments regarding this video, you can comment down below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Until then, I will see you all later.